you're traveling for a wedding or ow. What the? Oh man, something bit me. Woo! That really hurt. Okay. Okay. If you're traveling for a wedding or a formal event, then you'll probably need to pack a tie. But the last thing you want are those hideous creases cramping your style. So avoid them with today's tip. Roll up your ties. And you do it like this. Step 1, lay out a tie. Step 2, fold your tie in half with the skinny end of the tie on top and the inside of your tie facing up. Step 3, rotate the tie 180 degrees so that the skinnier end is facing you and start rolling it, but not too tightly. Just keep it a nice, loose roll and keeping it as flat as you can. We'll roll this all the way to the top. Just like that. And finally, get a Ziploc bag, place the tie in it, and squeeze out as much air as you can. This will help keep the tie together when it's in your bag. And voila, ready for travel. By rolling them this way, you'll reduce wrinkles so you can look your best while traveling. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday. Happy trails.